Hi friends, welcome to Dream to Learn English, and this is a very special moment to all of you and to me. And today we have a very important and auspicious day that we call it a Friendship Day. And we all believe in this, that this is the really an incredible bond between anybody and everybody. Reason being because this is a bond which is something which we create once we get into this earth, because wherein we have no formalities, we are wherein we can make friends even if we are unknown to one another. So that way we build our relationship, or probably, and I think this is the best relationship in the world, which we call it friendship or companionship. And because even if you are into a relationship and you are not a friend to one another, trust me, that is not a good relationship. Because in friendship there are no formalities, there are no foundations, there are no, in friendship we want that you want another persons to be very happy with you. So that is something, and I would like to share my gratitude to all my friends and all my subscribers, those who have supported me so much and have always shared their well wishes to me, and always have supported me in terms of sharing their valuable comments and their suggestions. And in fact, there are many things which I would like to thank you all for. But trust me, I'm sure I just want to keep this video a little short. So I would like to say thank you so much, and please accept all my great wishes to all of you. Thank you so much. And here I have also created one small clip to all my friends, but please, I have a limited photos wherein I could not cover all my friends, but I would like to, just give you gratitude to all of you. So even if I missed out some of you, please forgive me. So thank you so much. Bye.